To be award-winning auto repair shop, you have to go above and beyond. To outperform or exceed their ability to go beyond what is expected of them. At Black Widow Auto Repair and Sales, we do just that. We have a 5-star rating with our customers. Our customer satisfaction is everything to us. At Black Widow Auto Repair and Sales, we care about your reviews, your opinion, your comments, and your feedback matters. Our customer satisfaction is everything to us. DJ from Pinellas Park said, the service was awesome.
And David from Largo said, the work was completed in the same day. They went out of their way to find the correct belt for my car.
And Eddie from Largo said, I definitely found my automotive repair shop. They were awesome. He explains things out to you and lets you know what to expect.
At Black Widow, we handle all of your repair needs from transmissions, brakes, and complete engine replacement or repairs. Their service was good. Great. Wow. That's Black Widow.
So I noticed you brought your car to Black Widow. What's the reason why you come to Black Widow?
So I come to Black Widow because they like to treat me like family. They have really good service and I don't have to wait for a long time for them to fix my car.
Yeah, I heard they have easy financing too.
Yep, so I have a good program called Snap Finance and you can use that to make your monthly payments on paying on the bills if you can't pay on the spot.
Awesome. How long have you been bringing your car to Black Widow?
I've been bringing my car to Black Widow about 12 years and they've always treated me really nicely.
Black Widow, we're here for you.
Black Widow, we're here for you.
Located at 12087 62nd Street North, Suites 1 and 2, Largo, Florida 33773. Call us today at 727-220-1811. At Black Widow, we are here for you.
At Black Widow, we are here for you.